Hey, good to see you. Welcome to Michael Digital Service. And I will be presenting you the amazing videos. So make sure you follow and stay tuned.
Do you want to make videos like this? Stay tuned cause I am about to blow your mind. This is by far the best method to make automated content. We are going to use 3 websites to achieve the best result. Every video needs a script. To create our own, we will use Gravity. By the way, the link is in the description. Second, we will go to CapCut Online. Link in the description as well. Here is where the amazing things happen. After you register, click on Elements, scroll down to the characters and choose the one you would like to animate. Select the clip chosen and a pop-up menu will appear. Scroll down on that menu to insert your text. Once done, you can click on Export. Then you are pretty much done, but wait, how about your thumbnail? Well, you can use ChatGPT and ask it to generate a prompt to generate a captivating thumbnail for you. Give the related topic of your video. You go to our third website, Ideogram, you passed in the prompt given to you by GPT. Then download the picture you like. Then upload everything to YouTube. That's pretty much it.
Don't forget to
like,
share,
and subscribe. See you on the next one.